Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's doing well. What I have for you today is some padlocks that I have brand new in the box. American 3702 series. These have been with me for a long while. I think I got these, it's got to be more than 15 years actually. I know that they were pretty much hot off the press. Let me check. I'll show you something interesting after that. Okay, so E1. So we're looking at 2001. Brass solid. That's I believe a 10mm shackle. If I can find, I think we're looking at 50, yeah, 9.5 on the shackle. But what's more interesting is that that is an LSDA core. Like I said, this is brand new, right out of the box. So you know, locksmith dealers of America core, and I have a couple of these, I think, in a box. I found 2. I don't know if I had 4. I can't remember. But I'm gonna try to get into it today. I don't know exactly what that presents, but just looking at that keyway there, that's pretty wide up top, so I gotta figure out what we're gonna stick in here. I don't know if that's gonna fit. Not even close. Okay. Well, that might work. I did make a couple of tensioners, but they may not be for this particular lock. Nope. Alright. So let's see if this will do it. Not even this. It's kind of picking backwards, but we could try that and see if we get anywhere with it. I like this angle. Okay, I'll try it this way, guys. think it may, I'm not sure, I gotta look. I think it may be only a 5-pinner. Okay, that's a click out of 5, 4, 3. I think we're going to skip that. I think we're going to try something else. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with this, guys. Slip a little bit. Are you kidding me? Can't even get that one to sit in properly. Shit. Let's try that. Go all the way to pin 5. There we go. Okay. Once I had the bloody tension figured out, let's see what's inside this. This thing is hefty. Alright, let me grab a screwdriver. Okay. I may have to open up this core. Ah, yeah. Fucking grease to the max. Shit. Look at the amount of fucking grease that's on that. Fun times. Well, I guess they wanted them running smooth. And this is not going to fit. So, just going to lift this up slightly. Okay, so we'll pull that off. Got our pin. With all that goop, I doubt the spring will come out. There it is. You don't want to lose that. Possibly all standard pins. Okay, let's run that through the garden. Yeah, with the possibility of 6. Ha ha. There comes another video. Yeah, everything had to be picked there, guys, as far as the 5 pins are concerned. Yeah, I didn't think anything was going to come out on its own. So we've got standard, 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 and standard. All standard key pins and probably all standard drivers. Yep. 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 Oh, fuck. Alright. No problem. We have recovered all the ingredients. No matter how subpar the ingredients are, we have them. Okay, so there's no doubt I can't leave this lock the way it is. So I'll get popcorn ready for the next video, guys. That was it. 5-pin standard across the board. Wasn't too bad once I figured out how to tension the damn thing. I'm glad I went from the bottom. I'll put a photo in. And I'll show you the key, I guess. Key's not that bad, so it should be an interesting comeback. It's not bad bidding. Pin number 5. I want to see how nicely pin number 6 comes out, and I'll bring it back, guys. Definitely. So that's all I got for you. It's an American 3702 from 2001 with the LSDA Locksmithing Dealers of America core in it. All standard. I'll be bringing it back. Patience, practice, perseverance, guys. Thank you for watching, tuning in, liking, and commenting. And we'll see you at the next one. Take care.